At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a nursing staffing agency can be a rewarding venture, but it requires careful planning and execution. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Research and planning. Understand the local healthcare market demand for nursing staff. Identify your target market, hospitals, clinics, nursing homes, etc. Analyze competitors to understand their strengths and weaknesses. 2. Create a business plan. Define your business objectives, services offered, and target clientele. Outline your marketing and sales strategies. Develop a financial plan including startup costs, revenue projections, and funding sources. 3. Legal structure and licensing. Decide on the legal structure of your business, sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, etc. Register your business and obtain necessary licenses and permits. Ensure compliance with healthcare regulations and employment laws. 4. Insurance. Obtain liability insurance to protect your business against potential risks and lawsuits. 5. Build a network. Establish relationships with healthcare facilities and professionals. Attend industry events, conferences, and networking meetings. Collaborate with nursing schools or training programs for potential recruits. 6. Recruitment and screening. Develop a recruitment process to attract qualified nurses. Conduct thorough background checks, license verification, and credentialing. Ensure that all recruits meet regulatory requirements and have relevant experience. 7. Staff management. Implement efficient scheduling and staffing protocols. Provide training and continuing education opportunities for your staff. Foster a positive work culture to retain quality nurses. 8. Technology and infrastructure. Invest in software for scheduling, payroll, and client management. Develop a user-friendly online platform for staff and client interaction. 9. Marketing and branding. Create a strong brand identity and logo for your agency. Develop a marketing strategy to attract clients, including online marketing, direct mail, and networking. Utilize social media platforms to showcase your services and engage with potential clients. 10. Client relations. Provide excellent customer service to healthcare facilities. Maintain open communication channels with clients to address their needs and concerns promptly. 11. Financial management. Monitor cash flow, expenses, and revenue closely. Establish billing and invoicing procedures for clients. Consider hiring a financial advisor or accountant to manage finances effectively. 12. Continuous improvement. Solicit feedback from clients and staff to identify areas for improvement. Stay updated on industry trends, regulations, and best practices. Adapt and evolve your business model to meet changing market demands. Remember, building a successful nursing staffing agency takes time, dedication, and perseverance. Stay focused on providing quality services and building strong relationships with clients and staff. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.